Welcome back for another video, YouTube. I'm actually getting better at this. I found a new location to record. We're at a park right now. And if that little snippet you saw, we got a new car. So, if you guys watched my last video, the 535 that I had got totaled about a month ago. I got this thing. I've actually had this thing for about 2 weeks. It is a 2021 BMW 330 X-Drive, the premium package. Just wanted to do a quick video on the car. I don't even have plates on it yet. We're also trying out some new things. One, I got the Volta, like handheld tripod-y thing. And I also have the media mod for the GoPro. So we're gonna see how the audio is on this. I've been trying to dabble with different audio sources and stuff, but this is the new car, guys. To do a quick walk around because it's kind of cold. Let's see if that works. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why it's not working, but here's your trunk, 17 cubic feet. Normal car trunk, don't know what to say. I did lose the power trunk, dual exhaust. Just a quick walk around, guys. This is the back seat. This is the seat at my seating position. So in the back is where you're gonna notice it's a little bit tighter than the 5 Series. Nothing crazy. So got the ambient lighting too. Don't mind the stuff in here. These are just the boxes. I literally just bought these. The Volta, the media mod. There's some creatine for gain, some gloves, and a jacket. But so we're sitting in the back of the car right now. I got, with my head back, about 2 fingers, about 1.5 inches. It's like headroom space. I can comfortably sit back here. Leg space is fine. Got about 3 fingers in with 3 here. I can comfortably sit back behind myself. I can even scoot like further if I want to scoot my butt more. We lost the heated seats that the 5 Series had, but we did gain independent climate control back here, which is nice. Bottle holder, decent cubbies back here, as well as cup holders, which is nice. Again, this is just a quick walk around. Inside the car, we got the regular seats, nothing fancy like my old one with the Napa leather. These are the, I call them fake leather, but they're the synthetic. What? It's a fake leather. But they're bolstered. They have adjustable bolsters. I got the BMW floor mats, which I love. These floor mats are great. Here's the cockpit. It even welcomes me. I got the Live Cockpit Pro. Again, this is just a quick walk around, so I'm kind of rushing through it. It's not a full review. But they got the Live Cockpit Pro. I got the premium package, which gives you the heads-up display, heated seats, and some other niceties. Ambient lighting, which is nice. I don't have fog lights anymore, so I lost those going from the 5 Series down to this. The seats, they're comfy. I like that they're more bolstered versus my 5 Series, and I can adjust the bolsters, which is nice. The ride, it's a mixture of the ride mixed with the seat itself. They're not as comfortable as the 5 Series. And that's not a knock on this. This is a different car. This is a 3 Series. It's supposed to be a little bit more sporty and just a cheaper overall car. What else? This screen, this is the iDrive 7. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Heads up, or the head unit. This Live Cockpit Pro, amazing. Dual climate control. This system's kind of weird, especially, let's get the car start. So it does all of its dings and dongs and gongs. Heads up display. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can. Heads up display. This is the head unit, main screen. This is weird because the only thing I wish, this is a good system, up, down, normal stuff. The only thing I wish is that it had a sync button, and instead of a sync button, you have to click menu, AC, to synchronize the front 2 climate controls and the rear one. I wish they changed that. I don't know, what does that button do? Oh, recirc. Nice. Never clicked that either. I wish they just found a spot to put it, honestly. But you have your normal BMW buttons right there. wireless charging pad down here, as well as like you put your like debit card, because they gave me like a debit card for a key, which was nice. Cup holders. These cup holders have a better design than the old ones did on my 5 Series. Those have the claws facing like they had claws basically instead of these like twisty ones. So when you like put a weird bottle like this in, something shaped where there's a lip on it, you actually pull on it. You have to fight it to get it out, and it kind of squeezed some of the cups I actually put in there, which I didn't like. It squeezed them, if that makes sense. USB-A 12 volt. This is nice. The only thing I noticed is, I don't know if it's because this is a used car, but it's cracked right there, a hairline crack. Hopefully the GoPro can catch that. This is all good. 360 camera. This is another thing I needed in the car. There's a couple options I didn't want to not have, which is really nice. Auto, other side, 3D car view. This is really nice. Look at that. You can see the park behind me. You can see the Camry over there. It's just a really nice system. Automatic parking, backup assistant. So if you if you like drive into a spot, so say I like drove all the way down there and I went and parked over there by the Acura MDX, it'll actually back me up all the way into the spot back over here. Glove compartment, normal stuff, normal iDrive controls. Glove box. It's kind of small. It smells like a girl. I think a girl owned this before me because the glove box smells like perfume, and every time I open it, I get a whiff of Valentino, maybe. The pink bottle, I don't know. But ambient lighting, normal seats. I put a trash bin right over here, a receptacle. This door pocket actually goes way back into over here, which is nice. I got a garbage bag for an emergency, and I got a receipt in there and some paperwork. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick video on this. We're already 7 minutes in. And then glove box. Just to give you guys some perspective, this glove box is tiny. Nothing's ever lived up to the glove box in my Altima. Oh, that was a great glove box. This thing is so small. This is just the paperwork I got when I bought the car. Original window sticker and all that stuff like that, and it barely fits. So, yeah. To get into it, 5 Series got totaled. Needed a replacement car. Went about a month. Okay, here's the problem. I really wanted a Model 3 Highland, especially for YouTube. So what I noticed is that the BMW just wasn't kicking on YouTube. Whatever, you know, you got to find your niche. So the BMW wasn't kicking on YouTube. It's just a 5 Series. I either got to super modify it for it to click. You know, it's not the Altima where everyone's buying the car and stuff like that. And I'm not really doing repairs to it for more repair videos. So I was like, okay, well, I was looking at getting a Model 3 Highland because I'm like, 1, I'm into the tech. 2, I'm into the charging and the whole EV infrastructure. 3, I can make video content on EV time charge and all that stuff. And since it's a new model with updates to it, there's not that many videos, you know, that are going to be up right away. Not like we have the old Model 3 came out in like 17 or 18, so you have 6 years of videos on it. Now I'll be making videos on the newer version of it. So that was kind of what I was expecting to do, is keep the 5 Series in the family, just hand it off to my brother or something, and then get the Model 3 Highland and start shooting content with it. Well, it didn't come out, and I needed a car. The all drives, for people wondering, I still drive it here and there, but it's not something that I can take on a long journey anymore. I won't trust it on a long journey anymore, so I need something to take on a long journey. So, the Altima is still there, the Jeep's still there, Scion's still kicking. I'm gonna have a video coming up on that soon. We got some ambient lighting in it. Really nice ambient lighting. But I needed something to get me through. So I was looking at a 3 Series, a 5 Series, a C-Class, an E-Class, and an Audi A5 Sportback. I wanted a luxury sedan. I rolled out SUVs. I drove a couple SUVs. I love SUVs. I love the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. That was my top SUV. Beautiful. Better driving dynamics than an X3. But X3 did have a better interior. So I was looking around and I just got into one of these. I just went to a BMW dealership in Chicago, a really nice one, Perillo. was in and out in no time at all. They weren't pushy. Shout out to them. The deal was nice enough that I'm willing to like talk about it without throwing shade. It's free advertising. But yeah, so I got this. I've already put, for anyone wondering, got it on 11/14. I've put 1,300 miles on it. I've averaged 30 miles a gallon even, and I've been driving it like a doofus half the time. So, yeah. I've coasted for 45 miles, and I've had the engine off for 1 hour and 45 minutes in between stops. Refueling on this tank, I've gotten 25 miles a gallon. Again, I've been driving like an idiot. It's been my off day, so I've been, as you can see, I've had it in sport mode. I've been driving like an idiot. And there's been a lot of, what's it called? What's the word? There's been a lot of idling, sorry, as I've been like making random content. So, that's the update on the car. We now have a 3 Series in the channel. I can't really modify it because I got a warranty that's it's an over 4-year warranty, it's almost 4.5-year warranty. Almost bumper to bumper. It covers anything that's not included as a maintenance item in the book, which is, the book says like spark plugs, fluids, tires, air filters, pads and rotors. Everything else is covered. So even suspension, which is big, bushings, struts, sway bar links, all those are covered. So that's good. And it's unlimited miles. So I can't, I could put a cold air intake on it, but do I want to risk him complaining, oh, this failed because you have a cold air intake and cold air is gonna come in? And no. I'm gonna be making more content on what I can. I've been looking at getting like a project car. Another motorcycle is gonna be coming to the channel in the spring. But just doing what I can to put out some content for you guys between normal working life and just being busy and it being winter, and you know, I can't ride the motorcycle year long, so it's Midwest weather. So it's not like I'm in California, I can ride the motorcycle and have fun, have project cars and work outside and stuff. But yeah, so this is the car. Welcome back to the channel. Been happy with it so far. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos, I guess. Click the link in the description. I'm gonna link all the random items I use, because people ask me, well, what are you using for recording? So I'll have links for like the GoPro and the Volta and the Media Mod. People always just ask, so I just throw the links in the bottom of the description. And I just throw Amazon links to make them easier. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for tuning in, people.